One question that we always get, guys, is what is it that we're using to patch imperfections? Mark is gonna walk you guys through how to patch the gouges as well as the surface cracks. Take it away, Mark.
When it comes to patching surface cracks, what you want to use is a crack chasing blade. The reason that we use the crack chasing blade is to open the crack wider so we can get a proper adhesion of the product.
Yeah!
So now that we have cut the crack open and vacuumed the crack, now we're gonna fill it in with sand. So now guys, what I'm gonna do is take some sand, fill it completely to the top. You wanna jam the sand in. You wanna make sure it's packed in there. Now that we have applied the sand into the crack, now it's time for the joint filler. All right, guys, we're gonna get our fast cure crack filler ready to mix, and we're gonna apply it to the crack. It's a 1-to-1 ratio. And remember, guys, you gotta be super fast because this stuff will dry before your eyes.
As you guys saw Mark filling the crack, what he was using was a hybrid polyurea crack filler. The reason why we use that over Cabosil and epoxy to patch cracks is because the Cabosil and epoxy will sag, guys. If it sags even a millimeter, you will see it in your metallic coat. And that's a no, 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 no. If you want to learn everything from A to Z about this industry, we do teach classes, guys, where we give you all the game. Click the link in the description to find out all the information. So we have two different slabs. In the middle, it looks like there was a 2x4 here. Maybe there was a wall. So now there is a gap. We're gonna use Cabosil and epoxy. You could also use self-leveling concrete. The reason we like to use Cabosil and epoxy is because it dries very fast, depending on which epoxy you use. If you use a super fast cure epoxy, you could actually grind the patch within about 2 to 3 hours. Smooth.
I'm gonna show you how to make the Cabosil and epoxy mixture. This is a 2-to-1 product. Always mix the epoxy before you add the Cabosil. If you don't mix the epoxy before you add the Cabosil, it won't dry right. Remember guys, you want it to look like mashed potatoes. Maybe a little harder than that, honestly, but that's my preference. All right, let's go. All right, I gotta make more, I'll be back. Stay tuned. All right, so we're back in action. Sorry for yelling. Got a little happy mixing it. All right, guys, so there you have it, all patched up.
Feel free to sign up, like, and subscribe to our channel. We love y'all.